Hello everybody. Are you ready to practice with me?
Hello everybody, I'm Subhashri.
And I am Annie.
Thank you so much for the amazing response you've given for the previous practice BBC English at Home video. We're truly happy about it, and we've also appreciated Annie for her pronunciation and style. It means a lot. In this video, we are going to imitate another BBC video, but it's not about BBC News, it's BBC Round. And this particular video is about banning social media for children under 16. I also have to say this, there are a lot of people who ask me about the clauses and whether to follow American accent or British accent. I'd like to answer the second one. Regarding the clauses, I'll be telling towards the end of this video, so stay connected. Regarding whether to be followed, whether we have to follow American accent or British accent. We practice this BBC imitation not to practice like British or the UK. It's actually to overcome mother tongue influence. I've heard a lot of people telling I speak English exactly in the way how I speak the native language. So just to overcome the MTI, mother tongue influence, I am training my child. I'm also training a lot of children in this aspect. Let's begin today's imitation session. Are you ready to practice with Annie? I'm going to read a specific BBC Round news video and she'll be imitating. Are you ready to do that, Annie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Could you please come behind? Alright, fine. So she'll be following me. You can also do the same. I'll be telling it part by part. Okay? I'm not going to tell a sentence at a stretch. I'll be dividing the sentence. You can also follow us. Let's go. Do you remember?
Do you remember?
Remember.
Remember.
Do you remember?
Do you remember?
At the end of last year.
At the end of last year.
Do you remember at the end of last year?
Do you remember the end of last year?
We told you about.
We told you about.
Good. Do you remember the end of last year? We told you about.
Do you remember the end of last year we told you about?
Good. Australia.
Australia.
Banning social media.
Banning social media.
Australia banning social media.
Australia banning social media
For children
for children
under 16.
under 16.
Do you remember?
Do you remember?
At the end of last year,
At the end of last year,
we told you about.
we told you about
Australia banning social media.
Australia banning social media
For children under 16.
for children under 16.
Well, something similar
something similar
is being spoken about
is being spoken about
here in the UK.
here in the UK.
Something similar
Something similar
is being spoken about here in the UK.
is
Being spoken about
being spoken about
here in the UK. Exactly right. Good. Shall we say this specific sentence again? Shall we? Okay, fine. Something similar
something similar
is being spoken about
is being spoken about
here in the UK.
here in the UK.
The government
The government
will start discussions.
will stop discussions.
Will start discussions.
Will start discussions.
Okay. Some of you may find it hard to pronounce sh sound. Discussions. Discussions. She, see. She, see. And can you try this? She, see.
She, see.
Good. Wonderful. The government will start discussions.
The government will stop discussions.
It's not stop, it's start.
Start discussions.
The government will start discussions.
The government will start discussions
Around.
whether
I think something has happened to my voice. Whether
whether
should be strong rules
Should be strong
Should be
rules.
stronger rules
Should be stronger rules
about children's access.
about children
See,
access.
when we say about, we cannot say about. It's about.
About
Yeah, about.
about
About children's access
children access
to social media.
to social media.
Social.
Social
It's not show. So.
social media.
Exactly. Social media.
Social media.
Good. The government will start discussions.
The government will start discussions.
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 The government will start discussions
The government will start discussions
around whether
around whether
should be stronger rules
should be stronger rules
about children's access.
about children access.
About children's access.
About children's access.
About.
About.
Look at me. About.
About
Good. Children's access
children's
to
access
social media.
to social media.
Shall we try from the first line once? Do you remember the end of last year?
Do you remember the end of last year?
We told you about
We told you about
banning social media
banning social media
for children
for children
under 16.
under 16.
Well,
Well,
something similar is being spoken about.
something similar has been spoken about.
Good, right. Well, something similar
Well, something similar
is being spoken about
is being spoken about.
here in the UK.
Here in the UK,
The government will start discussions
the government will start discussions
around whether should be stronger rules
whether should be stronger rules
about children's access
about children's access
to social media.
to social media.
Here comes the last line. Ministers will look at
Ministers will look at
different options
different options
such as
such as
putting curfews
putting curfews
in place
in place
overnight, help kids sleep,
sleep,
or maybe
or maybe
a similar ban to Australia.
a similar ban on Australia.
A similar ban to Australia.
A similar ban on Australia.
Ministers will look at
Ministers will look at
different options
different options
such as putting curfews
putting
in
curfews
place
in place
overnight,
help
to
kids
sleep,
to sleep,
or maybe
or maybe
a similar ban
a similar ban
to Australia.
Australia.
Well done. Fantastic. This is imitation and shadowing. She's trying to imitate in the way how I pronounce the words, and she's also following. You can also do the same. You can select any specific video, try to imitate. First, you can actually get ready with the script. Watch any video, get ready with the script, listen to the particular video many times, word by word can be done. And now, regarding the classes, thank you so much for showing interest to learn pronunciation or to groom your English pronunciation. This class happens in 3 months session. We are providing 3 months course for little kids, and for adults it's 2 months session. 1:1 pronunciation session is also available. Those who are interested may check all those details in the description. Thank you so much for your support again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.